Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can post long image on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. For this, you want to go to your browser and you want to search for a square image. Once you search for a square image, you want to scroll up a bit down and click on square image. Make image square. Once you're in this website, click on choose an image and click on photo library, then upload a photo from your gallery and click on done. And from over here, you can choose the blur range over here. You can just like increase the blur range or decrease the blur range. After everything is done, you can also choose if you want to square with resize, with color or something, but I'm done. So now I'm going to click on download. Once I click on download, the image will be downloaded. I'll just click on download and into a download. This is basically the image. Now what I can do is go back to my Instagram and click on plus at the bottom. And from over here, choose the image I'm going to upload. Click on next at the top right and the image will be uploaded. Now I can click on the next. At the bottom, click on share, click on share, click on share, and the image will be shared. That is how we guys can post long image on Instagram. Hit the subscribe button to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.